Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to start with a new course, Python programming, where you will be learning Python with me in a very simple way. Who can learn Python? The people who are from non-IT background can also learn Python. You have to just stay tuned to this YouTube channel. I will be uploading every week at least 2 to 3 sessions where I will be completing all the topics of Python one by one, step by step. You have to just follow and practice whatever I will be teaching you on this YouTube channel. And I will be promising you at the end of this course, you will be a master in Python programming. But for that, you have to just stay tuned and follow all the instructions giving on this channel. And also, I will be sharing the study material with you all if you really want. So let's get started with the session. So in today's session, I'm just going to introduce like what is Python, what Python can do, why Python, what are the platforms which we can use in Python for programming. So let's get started. So as I told that Python is a programming language and it was released in 1991. Basically, it is used to build websites, software, performing automation tasks, and for conducting data analysis. As I told that it is used in web development at server side and software development, mathematics, and system scripting. What exactly all these are fields will study in detail in upcoming sessions. This is just the introduction for you to have knowledge about Python. After that, what exactly can Python do? It is used to create web applications on a server side, as I told. It is also used to connect your database system. It is used to read and modify the files. And Python is also used to handle the big data and perform complex mathematics. So in this way, Python is being used. Which are the different platforms of Python? So Python is used in Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and there are many more platforms. If you can see that Python is very simple in comparison to any other programming language. It has very simple syntax. How we will come to know, like for example, if in Java you have to write a code of 15 lines, so same code with the same meaning, if you will write in Python, it will only need 5 to 7 lines. So this is the reason people are selecting Python, because it has a less or fewer lines of code, which makes your work easy, and in less time you can do more work. So this is why Python is being, highly used nowadays. So after that also, uh, Python can also be used, uh, highly recommended language, you can say. And the comparison, if you compare with the syntax with other programming languages, Python is more easier, as I told. And it was designed in such a way that it, like when you read any syntax and when you do any program in Python, you find it more easy to do. So that's the reason. And in Python languages, morely focuses, like we mostly use semicolons, parentheses, the white spaces, define scope. So these are some concepts which we will be using in Python. Don't get confused. Right now, this is the presentation, so you might get confused. But when we will be implementing this on, practically, so your doubts will be more clear. So this session is mostly like why Python, what is Python, what exactly can Python do. So that's it, nothing else. So in the next session, we are going to actually start the Python. This was just the introduction of the Python. We are going to see how to install Python in your system, what are variables and what are data types. So these three just are the major topics for the next session. I hope you understood the way I am explaining to you in the session. And please just stay tuned and just practice whatever I'm teaching in this session. I hope that definitely, as I will be promising, and I promise you that if you follow this YouTube channel, you are going to be a master of Python programming. So yeah, stay connected with me. Bye bye.